राम राम राम। गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे। न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे। न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे। न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। श्रीशैलेशदयापात्रं धीभक्त्यादिगुणार्णवं यतीन्द्रप्रवणं वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिं। लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नाथयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभ अविघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। विना वेङ्कटेशं ननाथो ननाथः सदा वेङ्कटेशं स्मरामि स्मरामि। हरे वेङ्कटेश प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रियं वेङ्कटेश प्रयच्छ प्रयच्छ। हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत् तस्य निस्सरते वाणी जह्नुकन्या प्रवाहवत्। असाध्य साधक स्वामिन् असाध्यं तव किं वद रामदूत दया सिन्धो मत्कार्यं साधय प्रभो। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। Ram Ram Ram. Welcome to all of you. Swagatam. My sincere salutations to everyone, especially elderly scholars who are with us in this journey of chanting Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram. And thank you for all of you for taking time to attend this class today. Today is our 21st class. I am showing the slide which I had put it last week. So as announced in the last week, today and next class is the practice session for all of us, starting from Shloka 33 till 74, where we have chanted. I will quickly chant the Dhyana Shlokas and then we will go to the practice session directly. ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। अथ ध्यानं क्षीरोदन्वत्प्रदेशेषु च मणिविलसत्सैकते मौक्तिकानां माला क्लृप्तासनस्थस्फटिकमणिनिभैर्मौक्तिकैर्मण्डिताङ्गः शुभ्रैरभ्रैरदभ्रैरुपरि विरचितैर्मुक्तपीयूषवर्षैः आनन्दीनः पुनीयादरिनलिनगदा शङ्खपाणिर्मुकुन्दः। भूः पादौ यस्य नाभिर्वियदसुरनिलश्चन्द्रसूर्यौ च नेत्रे कर्णावाशाः शिरोद्यौर्मुखमपि दहनो यस्य वास्तेयमब्धिः अन्तस्थं यस्य विश्वं सुरनरखगो भोगि गन्धर्वदैत्यैः चित्रं रम्यते तन्त्रिभुवनवपुषं विष्णुमीशं नमामि। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। न मेघश्यामं पीतकौशेयवासं श्रीवत्साङ्कं कौस्तुभोद्भासिताङ्गम् पुण्योपेतं पुण्डरीकायताक्षं विष्णुं वन्दे सर्वलोकैकनाथं। नमः समस्तभूतानामादिभूताय भूभृते अनेकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे सशङ्खचक्रं सकिरीटकुण्डलं सपीतवस्त्रं सरसीरुहेक्षणं सहारवक्षस्थलशोभिकौस्तुभं नमामि विष्णुं शिरसा चतुर्भुजम् छायायां पारिजातस्य हेमसिंहासनोपरि आसीनमम्बुदश्यामम् आयताक्षमलङ्कृतं चन्द्राननं चतुर्बाहुं श्रीवत्साङ्कितवक्षसं रुक्मिणी सत्यभामाभ्यां सहितं कृष्णमाश्रये। ॐ विश्वं विष्णुर्वषट्कारः भूतभव्यभवत्प्रभुः भूतकृद्भूतभृद्भावः भूतात्मा भूतभावनः. From there we will go to the 33rd shloka directly. I have requested the panelist Amogha to call out the names. So as he call out the name, you can unmute yourself and chant the shloka. And as far as possible, we will try to give chance for many people. You can start raising your hands. We will try to give as many people as possible today. And there is also next week for practice session. So between the two classes, we will try to cover as many people as we can today. Thanks. With that, Amogha, are you ready? Just you have to give me 1 second. I have to put on my headphones, which I forgot. Amogha, श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते महोदय. आर्गनैजर्
तथा वा, क्षम्यताम्. You can see the all the attendees now.
दृश्यते.
धन्यवाद. Hope your people have started raising the hands. Kshamitam for the delay in 1 or 2 minutes. We can start now.
Anuradha R.
Yugadikrit Digavartah. Ram. Yugadikrit Digavartah.
युगादिकृत् युगावर्तः नैकमायो महाशनः अदृश्यो व्यक्तरूपश्च सहस्रजिदनन्तजित्.
Uttamam. Next sloka also. Continue.
इष्टो विशिष्टः शिष्टेष्टः शिखण्डी नहुषो वृषः क्रोधः क्रोधकृत् विश्वबाहुर्महीधरः.
Uttamam. Very good. Excellent. Good tone also, high pitch also. Dhanyavadah. Very good. Next.
Madhumita.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. Achyutah pratitah pranah.
Achyuda praditha pranah pranado vasavanujah abanidhiradhishtana apramatta pradishtidah.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. There were slight points to note. Difference between the and the I couldn't hear clearly. Achyutah, I could still hear little bit of the. Achyutah pratitha pranah. That is one. Then in the second line, apam nidira dishthanam, makara is there, dishthanam. Apam nidira dishthanam apramattah pratishtitah. If you can chant once again, Bhagini, that will be helpful.
Thank you. Achyuda praditha pranah pranado vasavanujah abanidhi pradishtanam apramatta pradishtidah.
Little more practice will help definitely. Dhanyavadah. Thank you. Next.
Shubha Krishnan.
Skandadaro.
स्कन्दधरो दुर्यः वरदो वायुवानः वासुदेवो बृहद्भानुः आदिदेवः पुरन्दरः.
Uttamam. Very good. The only small input is Brihad Bhanu. It is a Mahaprana. Vasudevo Brihad Bhanuhu. That's the only thing that you can keep in mind. You can also chant one more sloka. Ashokastarana staraha.
अशोकस्तारणस्तारः शूरः शौर्यजनेश्वरः अनुकूलः शतावर्तः पद्मी पद्मनिभेक्षणः.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Very good. Again, Nibhekshanaha Bha Mahaprana. So please note on the wherever Mahaprana is there, especially if you're seeing my screen and reading, wherever there's green highlight, you can there the Mahapranas are there. Dhanyavadha. Otherwise, it was very good. Dhanyavadha. Next.
Vijay Lakshmi Parthasarathi.
Namaste.
Namaste. Padmanabho Aravindakshaha.
पद्मनाभो अरविन्दाक्षः पद्मगर्भः शरीरभृत् महर्धिर्रद्धो वृद्धात्मा महाक्षो गरुडध्वजः.
Continue.
अतुलः शरभो भीमः समयज्ञो हविर्हरिः सर्वलक्षणलक्षण्यः लक्ष्मीवान् समितिञ्जयः.
Uttamam, Uttamam. Very good. Dhanyavadha.
Thank you.
Next.
Ghanashyam Dhyanmote.
Viksharo Rohito.
Ram Ayodhaya Mahodaya.
Ram. Viksharo Rohito Margaha.
Viksharo Rohito Margaha Hetur Damodarassaha Mahidharo Mahabhagaha Vegavan Mitashanaha.
Uttamam. Please continue. Udbhavaha Kshobano.
Udbhava Shobano Devaha Sri Garbha Parmeshwaraha Karanam Karanam Karta Vikarta Gahano Guvaha.
Uttamam. Very good, Mahodaya. The only thing is, this is Ksha. I couldn't hear very clearly, but
Okay.
you said, but it is, maybe you can make it as Kush. It is the combination of K and Cha. Udbhavaha Kshobhano Devaha. Otherwise, all other things were perfect.
Okay.
Dhanyavadha. Next.
Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Rushil Srinivas.
Vyavasayo Vyavasthanaha.
राम.
Ram. Vyavasayo Vyavasthanaha.
व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानस्थानदो ध्रुवः परधिः परमस्पष्ट तुष्टपुष्टशुभेक्षणः.
Very good. Small correction. I guess when we were saying many Mahapranas, sthanado, here it is, I guess you didn't stress there, number one. Number two, here, parardhihi, there are two rakaras, parardhihi, that I couldn't hear the Mahaprana, and also the second arkavat, ra idea I couldn't hear. If you can tell the shloka once again, parardhi paramaspashtaha. Vyavasayo once again.
व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानस्थानदो ध्रुवः हरदृः परमस्पष्ट तुष्टपुष्टशुभेक्षणः.
Uttamam. Very good. Good improvement. Dhanyavadaha. Next.
Pratibha Yanji.
Ramo Viramo Virataha.
रामो विरामो विरतः मार्गो नेयो नयोनयः वीरः शक्तिमतान् श्रेष्ठः धर्मो धर्मविदुत्तमः।
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्, धन्यवादः। नेक्स्ट।
लता सुन्दरम्
वैकुण्ठः पुरुषः।
राम राम
राम
Yeah.
राम राम।
वैकुण्ठः पुरुषः प्राणः प्राणदः प्रणवः क्रतुः हिरण्यगर्भः शत्रुघ्नः व्याप्तो वायुरधोक्षजः।
उत्तमम्, प्लीज कंटिन्यू। ऋतुः सुदर्शनः कालः।
ओके, ऋतुः सुदर्शनः कालः परमेष्ठी परिग्रहः उग्रसंवत्सरो दक्षः विश्रामो विश्वदक्षिणः।
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्, both the shlokas are good. The only small,
Wait,
very small
Ram,
input is
okay, tell me.
samvatsarah. We pronounce it as samvatsarah. Samvatsarah. Ugra samvatsaro dakshah. That's the only one. Otherwise, all other things are
No,
perfect.
that only I cannot understand how to pronounce when after this this bindu anuswara, if ba letter comes, how to pronounce?
Samvatsarah. It is a slight in the nasal. We pronounce it samvats. We
Oh.
don't say samvatsarah. We don't say full letter of
Okay,
ma. Samvatsarah.
and if it is
Dakshah.
okay, samvatsaro dakshah,
Perfect.
and if it is ya, then yai you have to say, isn't it?
Correct. Yes. Paramayo mahatte. Paramam yo mahattejah. Paramayo mahattejah. That's how we say that.
Okay, dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah. Next.
यादुगिरी के
Vistara sthavar sthanuh.
यादुगिरी के yourself muted.
Yadugiri.
Yadugiri. Please unmute yourself. Okay. Next. Sweet dreams.
विस्तारस्तावरस्ताणुः प्रमाणं बीजमव्ययम् अर्थोऽनर्थो महाकोशः महाभोगो महाधनः।
Ram Dhanyavadah. It was very nice. If you can little stress on the Mahapranas, it will be more nice. Vistaraha, Thavara, Sthanuhu, and in the second line, Artho, Nartho, Mahabhogo, Mahadhanaha. So if you can stress little more on the Mahapranas, it will be good. Can you repeat the same shloka again?
विस्तारस्तावरस्ताणुः प्रमाणं बीजमव्ययम् अर्थोऽनर्थो महाकोशः महाभोगो महाधनः।
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. Dhanyavadah. Next.
Sweet dreams. Yourself
Request
muted.
is after for others, after you chanting, please mute yourself, because otherwise there will be 2-3 voices which will be heard in the background. Kshamita, please. Anirvinnasthavishto bhu. Ram. Anirvinnaha.
Anirvinnasthavishtohu bhudharmayugo mahamakaha nakshatra nemir nakshatri kshamah kshamah samiranaha.
Uttamam. Ativa anandam. It was very good. Anirvinnaha sthavishto bhuhu. Next is Dharma Yupo. It is Dharma Yupo Mahamakaha. Can you chant once again? Same shloka.
Anirvinnasthavishtohu bhudharmayupo mahamakaha
Again there. Sthavishto bhuhu. There is visarga there. There we have to say the visarga. Anirvinnasthavishtho bhuhu dharmayupo mahamakaha.
अनिर्विन्नस्तविष्टो भूः धर्मयूपो महामकः नक्षत्रनेमिर्नक्षत्री क्षमः श्याम समीहनः.
Uttamam. Very good. Very good. Uttamam. Next.
Mahalakshmi Balaji. Mahalakshmi Balaji.
नमस्ते महोदय.
Namaste. Yajnaijyo mahejyascha.
यज्ञेद्यो महेद्यश्च कृतसत्रं सतां गतिः सर्वदर्शी विमुक्तात्मा सर्वज्ञो ज्ञानमुत्तमम्.
Continue. Suvrata sumukha.
सुव्रतः सुमुखः सूक्ष्मः सुघोषः सुकतः सुहृत् मनोहरोजितक्रोधः वीरबाहुर्विदारणः.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवादः.
Shailaja ji.
Swapanasvavasho.
स्वापनस्ववशो व्यापी नैकात्मानैककर्मकृत् वत्सरो वत्सलो वत्सी रत्नगर्भो धनेश्वरः.
Uttamam. Please continue.
धर्मगुब्धर्मकुब्धर्मी सदसत्क्षरमक्षरम् अविज्ञाता सहस्रांशुः विधाता कृतलक्षणः.
Uttamam. I can definitely feel that you are reading each letter and looking at each letter and focusing on each letter. Dhanyavadah. Uttamam.
We have one more person here.
Sure. Next sloka. Gabasti nemi.
गभस्तिनेमिः सत्त्वस्थः सिंहो भूतमहेश्वरः आदिदेवो महादेवः देवेशो देवभृद्गुरुः.
Uttamam. I could see the same exactly. Reading each and every letter and focusing on each and every letter pronunciation. Uttamam. It was very nice. Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवादः.
Next.
Radha Rammohan.
नमस्ते सर.
Namaste. Uttaro gopatir gopta.
उत्तरो गोपतिर्गोप्ता ज्ञानगम्यः पुरातनः शरीरभूतभृद्भक्ता कपीन्द्रो भूरि दक्षिणः.
It is Sharirabhuta Bhridbhokta.
शरीरभूतभृद्भोक्ता कपीन्द्रो भूरि दक्षिणः.
Please continue. Somapo.
सोमपो मृतपः सोमः पुरुजित् पुरुषत्तमः विनयो जयः सत्यसन्धः दाशार्हः सात्वतां पतिः.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. Next.
Thank you.
Dhriti.
Yeah, namaste.
Namaste. Jivo Vinayita.
जीवो विनयिता साक्षिः मुकुन्दो मितविक्रमः अम्बो निधिरदन्तात्मा महोदधिसयोऽन्तकः.
Very good. Slight corrections. Sakshi, that's all. There is no visarga here. Jivo Vinayita Sakshi, that's all. Mukundo Mitavikramaha. Then maybe little more stress on the Mahaprana. Ambho Nidhiranantatma. That was second. And number third was differentiation between Sa and Sha. This is mahodadhishayontakaha. This is shakara, not sa. That's a slight difference. Otherwise, it was perfectly okay. Can you chant this shloka once again?
जीवो विनयिता साक्षी मुकुंडो मित विक्रमः अम्बो निधिरनन्तात्मा महोदधिशयोऽन्तकः
Mahodadhishayontakaha.
महोदधिशयोऽन्तकः.
Very good. If you practice, it will definitely come. Definitely. Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. Next.
Gayatri Gopal.
Ajo Maharha.
Gayatri Gopal, yourself muted.
अजो महार्हि स्वाभाव्यः जितामित्रः प्रमोदनः आनन्दो नन्दनो नन्दः सत्यधर्मा त्रिविक्रमः.
Uttamam. Very good. Slight corrections. Ajo Maharha Swabhavya. Visarga followed by Sakara. Hence it will be Ajo Maharha Swabhavya. That was one. And again in the second pada, Visarga is followed by Pakara. Hence Jita Mitraha Pramodanaha is correct. But while we join and say Jita Mitra Pramodanaha, that's how it comes. Can you chant this once again?
Yes, sir. अजो महार्हः स्वाभाव्यः जितामित्रः प्रमोदनः आनन्दो नन्दनो नन्दः सत्यधर्मा त्रिविक्रमः.
Uttamam. That's all. Very good. Second time it was really good. Thank you. Dhanyavadah. Next. Maharshihi Kapilacharya. Amogha.
Mahesh Kumar VK, yourself muted.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. Maharshi Kapilacharya.
महर्षि कपिलाचार्यः कृतज्ञो मेदिनीपतिः त्रिपदस्त्रिदशाध्यक्षः महाशृङ्गकृतान्तकृत्.
Uttamam. Continue. Mahavaraho.
महावराहो गोविन्दः सुषेण कनकाङ्गदी गुह्यो गभीरो गहनः गुप्तश्चक्रगदाधरः.
Uttamam. Again, same. I could notice that you are reading letter by letter, which is good, and you are focusing on each letter pronunciation, which is very good. Please continue the same practice. Dhanyavadah. Next.
Sir, my sister also wants to read. Can she sing?
Yes. Same shloka. Mahavaraho Govindah.
Mahavaraho Govinda Sushena Kanakangatihi Guhyo Gabiro Gahanaha Guptaschakra Kadadaraha.
Uttamam. Very good. Very sweet voice. Dhanyavadah. Only small correction in the first line. Kanakangadi. That's all. There is no visarga there. Sushena Kanakangadi. That's all. Can you tell the first line again? Can you chant the first line?
Mahavaraho Govindaha Sushena Kanakangadi.
Uttamam. Very good. Very good. Dhanyavadah. Next.
Thank you.
Anna, yourself muted. Anna.
श्रूयते?
You are unmuted.
श्रूयते. वेदः स्वाङ्गोजितः.
वेदस्वङ्गजितः कृष्णः दृढः सङ्कर्षणोच्युतः वरुणो वारुणो वृक्षः पुष्कराक्षो महामनाः.
Uttamam. In the first line, swango, there is dirgha there. Dirgha asti tatra. Vedha swango jitah. Can you chant once again?
Vedha svangojitah Krishnaha Dridha sankarshanoಚ್yutah Varuno vrikshaha Pushkaraksho mahamanaha.
Uttamam. Very good. The only small input is, which is you need not, nothing major. There has to be a differentiation between the and dha. Dridha. It comes by practice. While you practice it, definitely good for now. It is definitely good. Dhanyavadah. Next.
Dhanyavadah.
Meena Raman. Meena Raman, you're
Sudhanva.
self-muted.
Namaste.
Namaste. Sudhanva.
No, Bahaman, which one? 61.
Ha.
Sudhanva Ganda Parashuhu Darunotra Navipradaha Tivaspruksarva Drikvyasaha Vachaspadireyo Nijaha.
Uttamam. There is small input in the first line. It is Dravina Pradaha. Dravina Pradaha. Daruno Dravina Pradaha. That's correct. In the second line, slightly I could hear the Vachaspati. Vachaspati. It is Takara. Vachaspatirayo Nijaha. If you can chant once again, it will be good.
Yeah. Sudhanva Ganda Parashuhu Daruno Travina Pradaha Tivaspruksarva Drikvyasaha Vachaspatirayo Nijaha.
This time it was definitely good. Only next time whenever you are doing, also note on the Mahapranas. Sudhanva Khanda Parashu. Otherwise it was perfectly okay. Dhanyavada.
Okay.
Next.
Thank you.
Aditya.
Trisama Samagasama.
Trisama Samagasama Nirvanam Bheshadam Bishak Sanyasa Krichamashantaha Nishtha Shantif Parayanam.
Uttamam. Continue.
Shubhangasad Shanti Dashrasta Kumudah Kuvaleshayah Gohito Gopatir Gopta Vrishabhaksho Vrishapriyaha.
Uttamam. So small input, both the shlokas are good. A small input is again a differentiation between sha and sa. Shubhanga Shanti Dasrashta. That's the only one. Otherwise, the other thing it was only correct. Can you chant the first line of the Shubhanga Shanti Daha once again?
Shubhanga Shanti Dashrashta Kumudah Kuvaleshayah.
Uttamam. Now it is perfectly okay. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha. Next. Anivarti
Padma Narayanan.
Anivarti Nivrittatma Sukshepta Kshema Krichivaha Srivatsavaksha Srivasaha Shripati Shrimatamvaraha.
Tamam. Small input is, this is Sankshepta. Anivarti Nivrittatma
Sankshepta Shema Krichivaha Srivatsavaksha.
One second. It is Ksha Ksha Kshema
Krichivaha.
Once again, can you chant Anivarti?
Anivarti Nivrittatma Samkshepta Kshema Krichivaha Srivatsavakshat Srivasaha Shripati Shrimatamvaraha.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Next.
Rasika.
श्रीतश्रीशः श्रीनिवासः श्रीनिधिः श्रीविभावनः श्रीधरः श्रीकरः श्रेयः श्रीमाल्लोकत्रयाश्रयः
Uttamam. Everywhere it is good. Only I guess there was no. I mean, you while chanting it came like a Sridaha, Srida, Shrisha, Srinivasaha. Here you pronounce Visarga, which is also correct. But when we are when we are telling the complete shloka, Srida, Shrisha, Srinivasaha. That's how we chant. Can you try once again?
Yes. श्रीतश्रीश श्रीनिवासः श्रीनिधिः श्रीविभावनः श्रीधरः श्रीकरः श्रेयः श्रीमाल्लोकत्रयाश्रयः.
Uttamam, which was good this time. Dhanyavadah. Next.
धन्यवाद.
Ashok Gutsurkar.
Swakshaswangah.
Ashok Gutsurkar, you are self-muted. Please unmute yourself. Next.
ओम स्वच्छस्पंगः शतानंदो नंदिर्ज्योतिर्गणेश्वरः विजितात्मा विधेयात्मा छिन्न संशयः.
Uttamam. Next sloka, continue.
नंदिर्ज्योतिर्गणेश्वरः विजितात्मा विधेयात्मा छिन्न संशयः. उदीर्ण श्री सर्वदश उदीर्ण सर्वदश चक्षु अनीशः अर्धस्थिरः भूषयो भूषणो भूति शोकः शोकनाशनः.
Uttamam. Uttamam. For others, Swakshaswanga Shatanando he chanted, which is correct. Even though it is Shatananda, since we are chanting pada by pada, we are splitting and chanting. But while we are chanting the full line, we chant it as Swakshaswanga Shatanando Nandir Jyotir Ganeshwaraha. That's how Mahodaya chanted also. It was very good. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. It was perfect. Next.
Okay.
Atyushman Architaha.
Rudreshasi.
अर्चेष्मानर्चितः कुम्भः विशुद्धात्मा विशोधनः अनिरुद्धो प्रतिरतः प्रद्युम्नोमितविक्रमः.
Uttamam. Maybe you can put little more stress on the Mahaprana. Vishuddhatma, Vishuddhatma, Vishodhanaha. So little more on the Mahaprana. Once again, Archishman Architaha.
अर्चेष्मानर्चितः कुम्भः विशुद्धात्मा विशोधनः अनिरुद्धो प्रतिरतः प्रद्युम्नोमितविक्रमः.
Uttamam. Very good. So like this, when you're chanting the shloka, maybe also focus on the Mahaprana letters that are there. Then it will be all the still more better. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha. Next.
Veena Kanduri.
Kalane Miniha.
कालनेमिनिः वीरः शौरिशूरजनेश्वरः त्रिलोकात्मा त्रिलोकेशः केशवः केशिहा हरिः.
Continue. Kamadevah Kamapalaha.
कामदेवः कामपालः कामी कान्थकृतागमः अनिर्देश्य वपुर्विष्णुः वीरोऽनन्तो धनञ्जयः.
Uttamam. It was good. The only small input, very minute, is well, you tried actually doing it. Maybe you can little more tune. Kamadeva Kamapalaha. Visarga followed by Kakara. In same in this second pada also. Kami Kanta Kritagamaha. You actually tried there. Maybe you can little improvise it. Otherwise, it was perfectly good. Thank you.
Okay, right. Thank you very much.
Next.
Vihan.
You can mute yourself. Brahmanyo Brahmakat Brahma.
Vihan Puranik, you are self-muted. Please unmute yourself, Vihan Puranik. Okay, next, Mohana Valambe.
Namaskara Mahoday.
Namaskara, namaskara.
Brahmanyo Brahmakrit Brahma 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 Vivardhanah Brahmavid Brahmano Brahmi Brahmagno Brahmana Priyah.
Tamam. The only small input is everywhere Brahma is Brahma, not Brahma. It is not it is not Mahaprana. Brahmanyo Brahma Krit Brahma 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 Vivardhanah.
Punar Vadami Mahoday.
Vadatu.
Brahmano Brahmakrit Brahma. Is it okay?
Little bit. Otherwise, yes, definitely better than the previous one.
Brahmanyo Brahmakrit Brahma 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 Vivardhanah Brahmavid Brahmano Brahmi Brahmagno Brahmana Priyah.
This is little tricky. The reason is Bra you have to say, and next is Hakara. So that's why what happens is by without our knowledge, Bra becomes Mahaprana. Brahmanyo it becomes. We had to little notice. Otherwise, it was perfectly okay. Most of us make this mistake, but otherwise, second time when you chanted, it was perfectly okay. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada Maya. Shamyatam for the mistake.
भवतु क्षम्यतां न इति मा वदतु ये भवान् ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ all of you are in this journey. That is great punya for all of us, so don't worry. All of us make mistakes. I make mistakes, lot more mistakes. धन्यवाद.
Tau tumba generous Mahoday. Tau tumba generous.
Mahakramo Mahakarma. Next.
Subramanian, yes.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. Mahakramo Mahakarma.
Mahakramo Mahakarma Mahateja Mahorah Mahakratur Mahayajva Mahayajno Mahahavihi.
Uttamam. The only small input is Mahateja Mahoragah. Mahateja Mahoragah. Ga Mahoragah.
Let me repeat once again, Mahodaya.
Please.
Mahakramo Mahakarma Mahateja Mahoragah Mahakratur Mahayajva Mahayajno Mahahavihi.
Uttamam. Small input is what you can do is you can take a small breath between you can in the after the pada Mahakramo Mahakarma. You can take small breath. Mahateja Mahoragah. Then it will be perfectly okay. You are telling all the lines, all the letters perfectly, aksharas perfectly. Your pronunciation is definitely perfect. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Next.
Lakshmi Ravi Kumar.
Stavya Stava Priyah.
Ram.
Ram.
Stavya Priya Stotram Studistottarana Priyah Purnah Purayita Punyah Punyakirtiramayah.
Please continue.
Manojavastirtakarah Vasureda Vasupradah Vasuprado Vasudevah Vasumana Havihi.
Dhanyavadaha. It was good. In fact, this is a general statement. I can see many of us coming out of the mother tongue influence and pronouncing the right letter perfectly. Dhanyavadaha. This is a great improvement from where we started 3 months back and where we have come today. Dhanyavadaha. We'll go back to 33rd shloka again. Next. Yugadikrit Digavartaha.
Uma K.
युगादिकृत्युगवर्तः नैकमायो महाशनः अदृश्यो व्यक्तरूपश्च सहस्रजिदनन्दजित्.
Continue. Ishto Vishishtah.
इष्टो विशिष्टशिष्टेष्टः शिखण्डी नहुषो वृषः क्रोधः क्रोधकृत्कर्ता विश्वबाहुर्महीधरः
Uttamam. All of us have actually understood what is the how do we have to pronounce, and second time we ourselves correct ourselves, which is definitely okay. Very pleasing for me. I'm very happy seeing all of you. Definitely. Dhanyavadah. Next.
धन्यवादः जी
Vihan Puranik.
अच्युत राम सर
Ram Ram.
अच्युत प्रतिथ प्राणः प्राणदो वासवानुजः अपानिधिरधिष्ठानम् अप्रमुक्तः प्रतिष्ठितः
Uttamam. Continue. Skanda Skandadharo.
स्कन्दधरो धुर्यः वरदो वायुवाहनः वासुदेवो बृहद्भानुः आदिदेवः पुरन्दरः
Uttamam. Atyuttamam. Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवादः सर
Rameshwari Kale.
अशोकस्तारणस्तारः शूरशौरिर्जनेश्वरः अनुकूलश्शतावर्तः पद्मी पद्मनिभीक्षणः
Uttamam. Very minute input is it is anukulaha, not anukulaha. I could hear little dirgha there. That's the only small input. If you can chant the only the second line.
अनुकूलश्शतावर्तः
Anukulaha. Anukulashatavartaha.
अनुकूलशतावर्तः पद्मी पद्मनिभीक्षणः
Uttamam. Continue. Padmanabho.
पद्मनाभोरविन्दाक्षः पद्मगर्भः शरीरभृत् महर्दिरुद्धो वृद्धात्मा महाक्षो गरुडध्वजः
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. Small input, not it is which means there are two rakaras which comes there. Mahar. Amogha Shruyate va?
Now I can hear Madhya. In between there was a little bit interference.
Okay. Kshamyatam. I was saying Mahardhir Ruddho Vruddhatma. There is Mahardhi Rakara is there, R is there, R is also there, then Ra is also there. Mahardhir Ruddho Vruddhatma. That's how we need to be pronouncing. You did perfectly did. No, you correctly did. There is no. You can chant once again the second line, of course.
महर्दिरुद्धोर्वृद्धात्मा महाक्षो गरुडध्वजः
उत्तमं धन्यवादः नेक्स्ट
मोना कुलकर्णी
नमस्कार
नमस्कारः अतुलशरभो भीमः
अतुलशरभो भीमः समयज्ञो हविर्हविः सर्वलक्षणलक्षण्यः लक्ष्मीवान् समितिञ्जयः
उत्तमं the first line havir harihi I heard it as havir havihi it is havir harihi samayagno havir harihi can you chant the first line again
yes atulasharbho bhimah samayagno havir havihi
there havir harihi continue
सर्वलक्षण लक्षण्यः लक्ष्मीवान् समितिञ्जयः
if you are following any other text if you have a book if it is printed as havir havihi please correct it as havir harihi that will be
yes I will thank you
धन्यवादः next viksharo rohito margah
सुवर्णा सुदगोनी
नमस्कार महोदय
नमस्कारः विक्षरो रोहितो मार्गः
विक्षरो रोहितो मार्गः हेतुर्दामोदरः सहः महीधरो महाभागः वेगवानमिताशनः
Continue. Udbhavah.
उद्भवः क्षोभणो देवः श्रीगर्भः परमेश्वरः करणं कारणं कर्ता विकर्ता गहनो गुहः
Tamam. Atyuttamam.
धन्यवादः
Dhanyavadah. Next. Vyavasayo.
Yes, Bhavani.
नमस्ते
Namaste. Vyavasayo Vyavasthanah.
व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानस्थानदो ध्रुवः परधिर्परमस्पष्टः तुष्टपुष्टः शुभेक्षणः.
This is samsthanah. We stage as makara there anuswara full. Vyavasayo Vyavasthanah samsthanasthanado dhruvah paradhi parama. Again here visarga followed by pakara. Paradhi paramaspashtah. Can you chant once again?
व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानस्थानदो ध्रुवः परधिर्परमस्पष्टः. करेक्ट?
Paradhi paramaspashtah.
परद्धि परमस्पष्टः तुष्टपुष्टसुपेक्षणः.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादः. Next.
V and Meena.
श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते. रामो विरामो विरतः.
रामो विरामो विरतः मार्गो नेयो नयोनयः वीरः शक्तिमतां श्रेष्ठः धर्मो धर्मविदुत्तमः.
उत्तमं. Please continue. वैकुण्ठः.
वैकुण्ठः पुरुषः प्राणः प्राणदः प्रणवपृथुः हिरण्यगर्भः शत्रुघ्नः व्याप्तो वायुरधोक्षजः.
उत्तमम् उत्तमं. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः.
Sachin.
ऋतुः सुदर्शनः.
Sachin, you are self-muted. Please unmute yourself. Sachin.
राम राम राम. ऋतुः सुदर्शनः कालः. Not sure if you're chanting. I can't hear.
ऋतुः सुदर्शनः कालः परमेष्ठी पर. You can hear me now, sir?
Yes, please continue.
परिग्रहः
Amoga, looks like networky problem. We will come back to him again.
Sachin, please come to a better place where you get better network. I'll mute you for now. Sudha K.
राम 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 सर.
राम राम राम. ऋतुः सुदर्शनः कालः.
ऋतुः सुदर्शनः कालः परमेष्ठी परिग्रहः उग्रः संवत्सरो दक्षः विश्रामो विश्वदक्षिणः.
उत्तमं. Is the only small input. Ugra samvatsaro dakshah. instead of samvatsaro, we can say it as, we can also pronounce it as samvatsaro dakshaha. Can you try the second line?
उग्रः संवत्सरो दक्षः विश्रामो विश्वदक्षिणः.
The same thing. Please practice. You will get that. Samvatsaro. It is not samvatsaro. It is some. I mean, while it is while pronouncing, most people also say samvatsaraha. Samvatsara. It is correct also. Doing the right pronunciation is samvatsaraha. Ugra samvatsaro dakshaha. That's how it comes. Dhanyawadaha. Keep practicing. Next.
Bhamini Rajagopalan.
Vistarasthavaraha.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
विस्तारस्तावरस्थानुः प्रमाणं बीजमव्ययम् अर्थो महाकोशः महाभोगो महाधनः.
All letters are pronounced. Only small input is again little more stress on the Mahaprana Akshara. Artho nartho Mahakoshah Mahabhogo Mahadhanah. Can you try the second, only the second line once again?
Yes. Artho nartho Mahakoshah Mahabhogo Mahadhanah.
Uttamam. Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawadaha.
Chanchal Vatva. You are unmuted, but we can't hear you.
Anirvinnaha.
Chanchal Vatva.
अनिर्वेणा सत्विष्टो अभु धर्मयूपो महामखा नक्षत्र नेमिर्नक्षत्री क्षमा समीहनः.
Ram. Only the first pada. Anirvinnasthavishto bhuhu. Can you chant only the first line?
अनिर्वेण सत्विष्टो भू धर्मयूपो महामखः नक्षत्र नेमिर्नक्षत्री क्षमा समीहना. धन्यवाद महोदय.
धन्यवादः. उत्तमम्. Next.
Geetanjali.
नमस्ते महोदयः.
नमस्ते. यज्ञइज्यो.
यज्ञइज्यो महेज्यश्च क्रतुः सत्रं सतां गतिः सर्वदर्शी विमुक्तात्मा सर्वज्ञो ज्ञातमुत्तमम्.
Very good. Two inputs. Satam gatihi, it becomes satang gatihi. Kakagaganga. Satang gatihi. Yajna ijjo mahejyascha kratus satran satang gatihi. In the second line, sarvadarshi vimuktatma sarvajno jnanamuttamam. Can you chant once again?
Yes, sir. Yajna ijjo mahejyascha क्रतुः सत्रं सतां महेज्यश्च क्रतुः सत्रं सतां गतिः सर्वदर्शी विमुक्तात्मा सर्वज्ञो ज्ञातमुत्तमम्.
It is ज्ञानमुत्तमम्. उत्तमम्. Very good. Please practice.
धन्यवादः.
Next. धन्यवादः. सुव्रत सुमुख सूक्ष्मः.
Radha Satish.
सुव्रत सुमुख सूक्ष्मः.
नमस्ते महोदय.
नमस्ते.
सुप्रध सुमुख सूक्ष्मः सुबुधो सुधोष सुखदशुः मनोहरो जितक्रोधः वीरबाहुर्विधारणः.
Uttamam. You kind of huddled and then you came back to the the right pronunciation, which was perfectly good.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dhanyavadah. I guess we are on time now. We will end for today. Sorry for the people who have not got the chance today to chant. You will definitely please, we have one more class for practice session. Please raise your hands and we will definitely do the practice in the next session. As always, please continue your prayer of chanting Vishnu Sahasranama on a daily basis. Please chant every day. If you're not able to chant, please listen to Vishnu Sahasranama every day. That itself will remove the kantaka that has come to the whole world today. Please listen to Vishnu Sahasranama or chant Vishnu Sahasranama every day. Dhanyavadah. Lokaha samastaha sukhino bhavantu. Ram Ram Ram.